Welcome to COCOSYS. In this video tutorial, we are going to understand how to create a construction schedule and how to create a construction progress. In planning and scheduling, click on the construction scheduling. Click on the edit button. You can see the month-wise details. Here we can add the weightage percentage with respect to volume of work, or commercial you can set the weightage percentage. Enter start date and end date here. I'm selecting Jan 1st 2021 for civil work. Similarly, we can select for all the work item. Duration of month came automatically. On the basis of duration, it will reflected to month wise. You can see for first for civil work duration 9, and for Jan, Feb, March its schedule came automatically. Similarly, you can see the S-curve chart. This is the work item wise. So I am entering the actual value for civil work of Jan, and for structural this is for Feb civil work, Feb structural work actual value, mechanical piping work. Similarly, we can enter the data to all the actual work, actual details. This is our S-curve, updated S-curve for all the items. You can maximize the screen. I'm enabling cumulative schedule, monthly actual versus cumulative actual. You can see the details here. Similarly, for discipline wise, you can see for civil, for structure, for mechanical, for piping, for tankages, for spare work, for heater work, for electrical, and for instrumentation. All S-curve are generated automatically. For this way, we can create a construction scheduling and progress. Thank you for watching.